In 1966, Francis Allotey had a bold idea to begin teaching computer science at the University of Ghana in Accra. He used Fortran, a programming language mainly used for scientific calculating.
I decided that there had to be a proper training, because those days the manufacturers will come and give 2 weeks course after you buy your machine. So I decided to organize a program on computer science. I had a lot of opposition from my colleagues, because why computer science? I mean, you have architecture, you have engineering, you have why this thing. What to teach even was a program. When I was Princeton, I learned Fortran. I learned a bit of machine language. So I decided to organize a certificate program for 1 year. And that organize and try and get people who have some knowledge in Fortran. Then those who did very well, they will go for 2nd year and do a diploma. And then after the diploma, they introduce a degree program.
Allotey went from developing programs to coming up with scientific theories. His most famous one is the Allotey formalism theory. It is a technique used to determine matter in outer space. For that achievement, he was recognized in the UK, receiving the Prince Philip Gold Medal Award in 1973.
I introduced something called electron-hole scatter resonance, how matter works. The existing theory doesn't match the result. And this became a puzzle. Understanding it means that we understood something in atom about how the nature works. This is the observed one. And this is my work, which agree with the observed one. This one is the one before mine. It doesn't see it like this. It doesn't agree with the observed one. This was my calculation. And before mine, the theory was to use this one and doesn't agree. You could see that the thing starts like this. And that was wrong. So by putting this word there, it showed that this have the same peak, the same trend, and this is put here. Third calculation by Ham, and this is the 2. Third calculation from Sister Cell. So they're showing how Prof. Allotey's work confirmed with the experiment. So we can use this one, which will be the...
Allotey's theory is based on his research on soft X-ray spectroscopy and can be found in many books in advanced physics. He asserts that the use of light and X-ray can be seen in everyday things.
Laser is part of also light. And then even internet, fiber optics. What is the fiber optics we are talking about? It's also light. So because of this, United Nations this year had declared as International Year of Light. And I'm very happy that at the opening ceremony in Paris, my name was mentioned as one of the organizing of this one. Before my theory, people were calculating the wave function without taking into account the hole created by the missing electron.
Allotey's achievements in science have led to many accolades, but he now wants to make sure the next Einstein comes from Africa.